কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ সংগ্ৰামত অসমৰ উচ্ছেদৰ সংগ্ৰামত জড়িত থকা বিক্ৰম হানছে ডাঙৰীয়াক অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ। উপায় নাই, 2 মিনিটৰ কাৰণ শেষ কৰিব লাগিব, নহ'লে মিটিঙৰ আমাৰ সমস্যা হয়।
Respected Chairman Sir and leaders across Assam who attended in this August House. First of all, a revolutionary greetings to all of you for being here in this beautiful program organized by the Assam United Student Convention. Today I am here to speak on and share about our success story of the Karbi Anglong Solar Project. Where the Karbi Anglong Solar Project, which was initiated by the Government of India and the state government, it was majorly funded by the Asian Development Bank with the amount of 4,000 crores. So in that project, we have seen that 18,000 because of the tribal and the indigenous land is going to acquire, and then 20,000 live population which is going to away from that particular area. So we form a committee, that is Karbi Anglong Solar Project Affected People's Rights Committee. So with that committee, we spearheaded the movement to cancel the funding from ADB. So the committee representatives, I being the advisor, and also Mr. Pranabduli and Sabrata Tulokdar, and across the state intellectual groups and press media who really help us to, flush out the movement. So at the end of the day, ADB has called for a 58th annual general meet in Milan, Italy, and then in that program, the Karbi Anglong Solar Project Affected People's Rights Committee sent delegates to that meeting, and unfortunately, we are able to meet the president of the Asian Development Bank, and then we submitted a petition or the memorandum which has been submitted in the last 3 years back to the state government, also to Karbi Anglong Council, also to the government of India, and also to the APHLC. So in that 3 years of period, those petitions were never sent out to the Asian Development Bank. The president of the Asian Development Bank were never acknowledged about the grievances of the local people. But on that annual meet, on the 58th annual meet, the Karbi Anglong Solar Project Committee delegates submitted to the president, and then after a week, 4,000 crores of the fund was cancelled from ADB, and now it is a success, we can say. So this story can bring us, unite all the Assam, entire Assam, of different projects which are affecting the tribal people, and also the Assamese indigenous people, also all the minority peoples. Because if the public come together, if the Ahmadi come together, definitely we can block, we can stop the illegal project which is happening in Assam. So I would like to appeal from this convention in different areas in Assam. In the name of development, land grabbing has been started. Land has been trying to divert to the Adani and Ambani, so that process can be stopped throughout this convention, or the entire people of Assam to stand together unitedly so that we can fight for this. যদি এই ল্যান্ড ইস্যু যদি আমি ফাইট নকৰো, তেতিয়াহ'লে নেক্সট কামিং 10-20 ইয়াৰ্ছটো আমাৰ বেলেগে ধৰণৰ হৈ যাব। কাৰণ এতিয়া আমাৰ জবটো চিজ কৰিলে, জব আমাৰ কেতিয়াও ট্ৰাইবেল সকল নাপায়, আৰু আমাৰ ইণ্ডিজিনিয়াছ অসমীয়া সকল নাপায়, আৰু আমাৰ কন্ট্ৰেক্টৰ আজিকালি কোনো আমাৰ ট্ৰাইবেল সকল ডাঙৰ কন্ট্ৰেক্টৰ নাই, all are taken by the companies. Now the only remain is our land. যদি আমাৰ land যদি নাইকিয়া কৰি দিয়ে, হেক কৰি দিয়ে, তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি ইয়াত জীয়াই থাকিবলৈ অৱস্থা নাথাকিব। So in conclusion, I thank the Assam United Citizen Convention Committee and all the entire leaders who present in this house to stand together and fight against RSS and the BJP to defeat this country. Thank you so much.
ধন্যবাদ, হাসিনা ডাঙৰীয়া, ধন্যবাদ। মই আকৌ